In this video, I'm going to teach you how to export lists on Propstream. So in order to do that, you can head over right here to propstream.com, and directly from in here, you can find this try for free option. Click onto this in order to create an account and enjoy 7 days of free trial on Propstream. Now, if you already have an account directly from there and you have already subscribed, click onto this login option that will appear right here in order to log into your account. Now, in order to export the list, I have in here this article that should be able to help us. So to export the list, you just need to go over to the properties that you have searched or saved in the past. From in there, choose the list that you want to export. So if you don't have a list yet, search for properties and then select every property that you want to add on your list. And once you have selected those, you can just click on the option to add those to a list and either create a new list or add it to an existing one. Once your list is open, you can select which records to export. You can choose contacts, emails, as well as the likes. Click the checkbox next to those properties that you want to get. And from in here, you can directly export the entire list and select the checkbox at the top of the spreadsheet. So once your properties are selected, you can click the export button to download your Propstream lead list as a spreadsheet to your computer. With this, you can directly get or export lists on your Propstream and then have it ready on your own. Once it's ready, you can directly get it and then start to reach out to those owners by getting their contacts, as well as their numbers, and also see and identify or analyze each properties and see which property has the most potential. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out. If you have any questions, you can comment them down below as well. Thank you so much for watching.